Welcome to Stock Talk. This is your host, Scott. Just going to talk to you a little bit about what's going on tonight in the market, what happened today. So let's just jump right into it. Today, we'll go over to our screen here. You'll see here in the U.S. we had a pretty good day. We were up 143 points. S&P up 23, NASDAQ up 122. So we kind of stopped the bleeding from Friday. If you take a look at the Asian markets, you can see here that the Nikkei is up today. The Shanghai is up. So Asian markets are turning green. So maybe some things are settling down there as well. Just to take a quick look at oil. Oil is up a little bit. They are talking about having some meetings with OPEC to keep these prices up a little bit. They'll cut production. That'll keep the prices up. So we'll be looking for that in the next few days. Some output about those meetings. You see it here. The headline in this message here. So pre-market, let's take a look at our pre-market right now. Pre-market's looking pretty good, so we may have a good start to the day tomorrow, which is good because we've got a couple that are very close to being ready to sell after today's good market. So let's take a look at those stocks from today and see what happened there today, and I'll tell you a little bit about what I did today. All right, so looking at my portfolios under our stock talk watch list that we built. You can see here we had ACB was up a good 5.8%. CLF up 3.5%. We had EXAS up a little bit. Don't know, not holding any of that right now. MPC, we're holding some of that. Tried to cost average down on that a little bit today. Was trying to get it right at $52, and it got down to $52.04, as you can see from the chart here. So we just barely missed that at the close, and so we may try to get some more of that tomorrow. You see today it's down as much as 4.4%. So that makes me my shares that I'm holding now are down about 7%. So I like to cost average when I get down to 7% and somewhere in that area. So we'll add some to that tomorrow if it especially if it's dipped and again. If it goes back up tomorrow, we may not, but we'll keep an eye on that one pretty close. Novavax today. I did purchase some more. I'm just going to show you that I've been buying with 712. 712. Let me pull up the chart today. Show you that chart. If you come up here, but I bought it at 712. It looked like it was holding that 712 mark pretty good during the day. So I went and purchased some around that area. Then it gets down to it gets below the 712, gets around the $7 mark. Once it broke that $7 level, it didn't have any support. So you'll see that sometimes those levels that are support, like the 712, 710 level, their support, well, once they fall below it, sometimes they become the resistance coming back up. So we'll watch that tomorrow and see if we can get past that 712. Did have some after hours moves today. Not a lot of heavy volume, so I'm not paying a whole lot of attention to the after hours. But as you can see here, this is where I bought right in here somewhere. You can see it's kind of leveled off, holding that 710, 712, and then it started calling off of that a little bit, and then it came down here to got below that 7, and it never really recouped from there and dropped off pretty bad towards the end of the day. So we will watch that one. You see it was down as much as 10% today, 10.63%. We'll watch that one tomorrow. Bought shares in both accounts, so we're going to keep a close eye on that tomorrow. Like I said, you can't pick the highs, you can't pick the lows. This is a prime example of it. What was the lows, what had been the lows, did not hold up today. So that's what happens to you. Sometimes you buy these stocks and they blow out that bottom, and they find a new bottom. So that's what we're looking see what's going to happen tomorrow. It did have some pretty good volume, but you can see the volume starting to slack off a little bit. We're down to 4 million shares today. Average volume is 3.6, and that average is only up because of all the volume we've had lately. So we'll see how this one does tomorrow. I expect it to possibly, hopefully, pick back up and let me get rid of those shares. But going back to our other ones, I want to take a look and show you those. The ACB is the one I kept trying to sell today. We're up about 3% on it. I've had it about a month, and I was wanting to try to get rid of it. Starting a new month, I like to pocket some money, and this is the third, so need to start pocketing some money for the month. Up about 3%. I was trying to get 204 out of it, or 202, I think it was. Never got there. $2 was the high. It closed on the high. I was trying to get 202. That would have given me a 4% gain. We'll see if we can't get that tomorrow. If it has a green day, it's probably going to be better than that. Last time I sold this, it was $2.13. So, I'm going to be happy with 4 or 5% in a month's time. And normally I might hold it a little bit longer, but since it's the beginning of the month, I like to go ahead and start pocketing money. So we want to, there's so much we want to pocket every month, and that's my goal to do that. I have a figure for myself based off of what I think I need coming in here. So going to watch that one real close. Cliff is pretty flat right now. I'm holding it. It was up 3.56%. CLF. I'm going to watch that one tomorrow. Now, if it has a good day, if it has another one of these 3.5% days, I may go ahead and get rid of that. I haven't been holding that quite as long as the ACB, so maybe that's probably 2 weeks or maybe 1 week. I don't recall the exact date when I bought that, but it's not been a long time. So if that one has another good day tomorrow, we may get rid of it as well. EXS, like I said, we're not holding any of that right now. MPC, I'd like to cost average on that if I can. If not, if it goes up, that's fine. Like I said, we're holding shares, so it's never a bad thing when it goes up. Looks like the market may start good, so that's good, and that's what we'll be looking for: a good, strong open tomorrow, and hopefully I can get in here in time. If the open is strong, get in here in time and make some of those sales. I'm usually not standing at the computer or on my phones that early in the morning. I'm doing other things, so it's not my top priority in the morning. So we will get to it when we get to it. Probably around 9 o'clock. I'll probably be in 9:30, looking at the market, and hopefully everything will be up where I can sell it by then. Just keep an eye on things tomorrow. Let's just see how it goes. If you got any questions, any stocks you want us to track, we'll put it on our portfolio. Just let me know through the comments, and I'll be glad to do that for us. We'll start looking at that. But just hope you have a good day of trading, and we'll be checking in with you again probably sometime tomorrow. I just wanted to get this short video out tonight in order for you to be ready for tomorrow. So I'll see you then, and check back in with you tomorrow evening sometime. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great day of trading. Thanks.